This is a infrared obstacle sensor. Infrared obstacle sensor. Its work within 6 inches. This is positive voltage ground output. This is a relay module. Relay module, 5 voltage relay module. Here, this is the input ground. This is a voltage, positive voltage. Now I am going to make it. Positive voltage and positive voltage where this is negative voltage. This one also negative voltage, 5 voltage. This is the input, signal input. This is the output, signal output. Now we need to connect the voltage. These two positive will be together and this negative will be together. This is the 4.2 voltage battery. It's also working 4.2 voltage. This is the positive voltage and these two is negative voltage. Negative voltage. Now I am going to check. Look, it's working. You can see in relay module. You can see the light. Relay also working. This is the switch. Middle is the input. This is the output. This is the switch or nothing. Now I am going to use one electric. No, I am going to use one motor, DC motor. This relay just work as a switch. This is the positive. This is the negative. You can see the motor working. When something comes in front of the wire, then it's working. Thank you for watching. This is a project for a school girl.